Faith is confidence or trust that what is needed already exists in the spiritual realm. Whenever I'm teaching any form of manifestation, I always emphasize the reminder that the physical is the final phase of manifestation. We don't go from 0 to 100, we go through multiple phases, aligning our faith with our feelings, aligning our faith with our actions, and then therefore the ultimate final experience of the physical aspect of manifestation. But truly, what is needed already exists in the spiritual realm. Hope is the optimistic attitude of expectation. Hope, secured by the power of faith, expedites the creative process and provides the energy to call forth what is desired. Faith and hope. Hope as a gateway to so many aspects of our highly sensitive strengths. When we are untrained as highly sensitives, we are operating from shadows, we are operating from coping mechanisms, and we are driving the operation of shadow behavior and coping mechanism behavior from fear. Primarily fear that we won't be able to handle the overstimulation that our nervous system tends to. Yet when we are trained, when we are in training as highly sensitive entrepreneurs and leaders, there is an opening, a consistent cultivation of access to our strengths. Strengths such as our ability to be spiritual by nature, strengths such as our ability to be creative. Therefore, hope is that gateway. Hope is that gateway to our strengths, our ability to create. Hope is the optimistic attitude of expectation. Hope, secured by the power of faith, expedites the creative process. Therefore, meaning it speeds up, it accelerates our ability to access our strengths, and it provides the energy to call forth what is desired. So this is a time of year to remember our calling. To remember our calling as highly sensitives, to remember our calling as highly sensitive entrepreneurs, to remember our calling as highly sensitive leaders. This end of year time does not need to be hard. When it comes to your focus of leadership, when it comes to your focus of the success you desire to create, part of how we are being called forward as highly sensitive leaders is to learn how to be both focused and fluid, accessing hope regardless of what is happening around you. That ability is the mark of a highly sensitive leader. We choose to access the power of hope regardless of what is happening around us. If you can release the need to control and surrender, may you be happy. May your heart be strong. May you have hope all year long.